Is now the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024, and today, we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a promising investment, giving it a score of 2.84. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't met expectations, resulting in a loss of -0.91% so far. This means that on average, the stock has experienced a daily loss of -0.30% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong and broad upward trend in the short term. This suggests that the ETF is likely to continue rising. Over the next 3 months, there is a potential 77.61% change in the ETF's value. This could result in a return between 66.82% and 117.78%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a projected 50% change in the ETF's value. The potential return during this period ranges from -11.24% to 74.35%. This means that the ETF's price could be anywhere between $25 and $49.11 in a year. Our latest update for SOXL brings you the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for SOXL. On Wednesday, the SOXL ETF experienced a decrease of 0.88%, with the price dropping from $28.42 to $28.17. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 5.87%, reaching a low of $27.09 and a high of $28.68. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a decline of 12.41%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the ETF, which can be seen as a positive indication as volume typically follows the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 62 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.75 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $32.78, while the lowest price was $11.62. Currently, the price is 14.06% or $4.61 below the 52-week high, and it is also 92.55% or $350.07 below the all-time high, which was reached on November 26, 2020 with a price of $378.24. Let's take a closer look at the signals for SOXL, the semiconductor ETF. The SOXL ETF currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a decline, there is expected support at levels of $27.26 and $26.59. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been identified, which could potentially impact the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decrease of -12.92% so far. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. It's important to consider that volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 43 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL, or the Direxon Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X shares, has an interesting support level at $27.92. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction is likely when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this ETF can be quite volatile throughout the day, which makes it a high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for SOXL. Looking at its recent performance, in just one day, the ETF had a price range of $1.59 or 5.87%. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 6.37%. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for SOXL. If there's an upward trend, we can identify the first resistance level for SOXL at $28.42. For those who don't yet own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if SOXL experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $27.92. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $26.43, which represents a decrease of 6.16%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences high daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. In addition, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 9 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. There's a fair chance for the SOXL ETF to perform well in the short term. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, January 11th, we anticipate the SOXL ETF to open down $0.190 and commence trading at $27.98. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We hope you have a successful trading journey and enjoy a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.